Hello, I'm going to explain how the random number generated 50/50 system works. So it starts off with, I come to the meeting with a blank sheet of paper, and as people come up and purchase tickets, instead of handing them physical tickets, I write down their name and I write down their ticket range. Alright, so in this example, let's say Chris Wood is the first person who shows up, so I write down Chris Wood, and I write down he wants 15 tickets, so I tell him, okay, your ticket range is 1 through 15. At this point, Chris can just say thank you and walk away. If he forgets his ticket range, that's fine, because I'm going to have this thing up there with me when I'm using the random number generator. So you don't have to remember what your ticket range is, but if you would like to write it down just for fun, you can, of course, do that on the back of your door prize ticket. And so let's say Mike Mariano comes up next, and he wants to buy 7 tickets. All right, so 15 plus 7 equals 22, so 22 defines the upper limit. The lower limit is always going to be 1 higher than the last guy, so the last guy had 15, so his lower limit is 16. So he's got 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Those are his 7 tickets. And so forth. And let's say that we get all done, and these are all only 20 people buy tickets and a total of 370 tickets. This is just for the sake of an example. In an actual meeting, this would be like 3 pages long, and I would probably have between, I would guess, 800 and 1,300 tickets sold. But let's just say that we get done with the whole meeting, or we get done with the whole social hour, and 370 was the total tickets count, total tickets sold, and we know it's 370 because that's the maximum number on this entire list. So what I would then do is I would get out my random number generator app, which I downloaded from the Play Store, and I would set it to a range of 1 to 370. Now I can click on it, I can type in anything I want, but in this case I would go and type in 370, enter. Alright, and then I would show it to an independent verifier, because I don't want anyone thinking, I might have rigged up the random number generator to give me something wrong, right? So now we've got the range set correctly, and I'll show the phone to the audience. Okay, I'm going to press the button 1 time to give us the winning number, and that button is this magenta one right here. You have to press it carefully. And there you go, there's your number, 78. So if I look back at this list here, 78 belongs to Carl Bartlett's range in this example, because he bought 72 through 86. So he would have been declared the winner in this case. And that's basically how the 50/50 system works. And the independent verifier is going to make sure that I'm announcing this number here correctly that the audience can't really see, and then I'm referencing this list correctly. Because, again, I just want to be honest. I don't want people to think that I'm rigging it or giving the thing away to my favorite person or whatever. So that's basically how it works, and it's really simple. You don't have to meter out lots of tickets before each meeting. You can create even more price brackets, like if I want to sell 100 tickets for $50, or like 60 something tickets for $35. Yeah, I can do that with this system a lot easier than I can do it if I have to meter out physical tickets. So that's what would be cool about this system.